This is the reason why your dog hates showering. Not only does the water scare them, but it also makes them feel uncomfortable when the water goes into their eyes. What you can do is change your regular shower head into this one. It's super easy to install, and the water will be concentrated and flow out gently. Or you can switch it to this shower mode to rinse their body and wash out the dirt. The good thing about the gentle mode is that you can avoid splashing water into their eyes and nose, making them feel calm and comfortable throughout the session. And because they're not moving too much, it makes the process much faster and easier too. Check out this doggy shower head from Howzer Day and let your dog enjoy peaceful showers.